8 stack. Hey guys, what's up? I'm at the Goodguys show in San Diego. It's April 2023. It's the 22nd annual show, and there's a ton of cars here, as you can see behind me. I'm filming inside, giving this monologue inside because outside the music is so freaking loud, you wouldn't be able to hear me. So I'm gonna shoot a bunch of cars. Leave a comment below what your favorite car is, and we'll go from there. See ya. You've got to be kidding me. Wait for it, guys. You know this thing has to sound insane. I don't even know what this is in here, but it looks killer. Okay, I've only shot like 4 cars, and I rarely say I have a favorite already, but check this out. Told you. Ridiculous. Holy but Jesus. Look at that 8 stack. Wow. Thank you, Luke. 100% metal. Full fab by a magician. Okay, we're continuing the fun. Look at this metalwork, guys. You want to aspire to be a magician like Luke? Take some time, take some patience. Looks amazing. Love that chevron. right, Pontiac fans. This car should look familiar to you guys, but there's one change he made. The wheels. So cool looking. There's his old wheels. So he has options when he gets up in the morning. How cool is that? Insomnia. It's gotta be fun to drive. '68 Super B. Not sure why the hood's not open, but it looks super clean. All right, Ivory, I see you. You guys remember Ivory's car from the quarantine cruise? Go check it out if you haven't. Super smooth. We drove up together from San Diego. Fantastic ride. Oh, some modern Pontiac. G8. Nice stance. G8, mate. All right, here we go. I'm in the FiTech booth. If you guys haven't seen it, we are now port injected. Go check out that dyno tuning video we did. Some pretty impressive performance out of that. I love the drivability now. Starting, hot, cold, doesn't matter. Check out the rest of the rides here. And you can hear the FiTech commercial in the background if you listen close. Best for last. Look at this thing. From Nostalgia Hot Rods, Dustin, the master here. Look at this.
And everyone here for another awesome Goodguys event.
Woo. '64 Le Mans. I don't think that's a stock hood. I'm not an expert, but it looks fantastic. Whew. Super clean. Love the dash. Who doesn't love a good intake? From Quarantine Cruise, Pretty Penny, wait for it. Per diem, sellers rolling in, love C10s. I can see the front tires here. They're crazy. Ooh, these are 315s.
But then grabbing it, I mean, it's not like my, normally when I'm just like, yeah, we like this on the way to you. John, have you ever seen a more respectful display?
8 stack. Another nice original build. Battery and everything.
Very nice.
Really? Fantastic. Just like they do in Cuba.
8,000 RPM.
Wow.
This is a
Wait till you see this run. Was that some inspiration or what? Do you like that AutoCross stuff? Yeah, I love it too. Hopefully we can get the GTO out there. And of course, this never happens without failure. Something goes crazy for me. This time it happened to be my video camera. The memory card corrupted itself on the very last car I was shooting. Thank God it wasn't the first car. It would have been made for a miserable day for me. But I had to pay someone to pull all that footage you just saw from my memory card. Yeah, crazy learning experience for me. So next time I hope that doesn't happen, and it might explain why some of those clips are jumpy, because the memory card is not fast enough for shooting in 4K. That's what I learned. Anyway, moving on. Next episode, subscribe if you haven't, because we're going to tackle something I've always wondered about, and that's the torque holding ability of the fasteners that hold our sway bars in on old school cars. Because if you didn't know this, that frame material is only an 1/8 inch thick, and when we start upgrading our sway bars and adding chassis stiffening systems, don't you think that torque holding ability should be increased? Yeah, I do too. So next episode, I'm going to test that theory. We're going to test different size fasteners and hopefully come up with a solution to increase the torque holding ability of those brackets on my sway bar. So until next time, build them fast, drive them faster. See ya.